Welcome back, everyone. If it's your first time tuning in, I'm Chris, and this is Pia's Projects. Yesterday, drove the bike around. My son rode with me. I even gave my mom a ride. It was good. Then it started like it wouldn't quite idle right. So I was like, it's probably run low on gas. So filled it up on non-ethanol or ethanol-free gas. And then I'm getting ready to leave the gas station. Dies. I couldn't get it to start. Nothing. I'm like, crap. So luckily enough, you know, light enough car. I just push it back into the gas station and just let it sit, get something to drink, and yeah, let it sit. Well, fired up. And then I just brought it home, let it sit for a bit, then tried to back it in, and it kept dying whenever I let off the clutch. So I don't know if something's out of adjustment or what have you, but I'm gonna look at a few things. The carb jet, the fuel jet, I'm gonna take that out, give it a nice little clean through, and I wanna make sure the throttle cable's tight. It's a little weird. When you're in first, you basically have to like mash it for it to go through. I don't know. Maybe it just needs a little adjusting. It's sort of, I mean, I've experienced with carburetors thanks to the Jeep. So I know that's been an issue I've had with that before. The other thing is this spring maybe isn't as tight as it could be. But this seems like very loose. And I don't know if maybe it should be a little tighter. So those are the things we're gonna work on right now. This is what I need to take out. Right here. Right here. Yeah, it's a little gummy. I don't know how well you guys can see that. There's some gunk and stuff on it, so literally just gonna clean it up. All right, and that should do. It's definitely cleaner. And you only want it snug. You don't want to over tighten it because fuel still has to go through it. Let's see if it fires up. Well, that seemed to have did the trick. Hopefully that's all it needs. Just a little tweaking and adjustment. I do want to probably add an inline little fuel filter, one of those plastic ones, just so you could see. I know it's a runner and whatnot, but it is an old tank. There's no telling what's under there. So if you have a chance to filter some of that stuff out, you got to, right? All right, well, tried to help a buddy change the clutch in his Mark 7R, and no luck. I definitely need a tooling upgrade. That's something I'm going to work on over the next few months. And I think, I don't know, I hadn't done a newer clutch. I mean, the last clutch I did was on a Mark IV. And I probably could have gotten it, but having to work through the Haldex and the, you know, all-wheel drive system, and I mean, I found a decent guide. It's just there was stuff that it was telling me to disconnect, couldn't find, and just things that just weren't going our way. So we put it back together, and because you have a shop do it. I feel bad, but sometimes that's the way it is. It's also why I usually don't work on other people's stuff. I'd rather just work on mine. I get it done when I get it done, how I can get it done, and we go from there. We got a package, and I guess the package broke. Hopefully we have everything, but seatbelts, okay? This looks like this is for the rear. And these are for the front. Oh, nice. Sticker, that's always a must, right? Plus, this is what we got for all the buckles. So because of the year, so we got hardware, but then I had to get some adapters because the opening is bigger. Yeah. Oops. So the plan. Okay, so those must be for the rear. Rear. Front. So, ideally, I would have gone with a different color, but with the available colors, what I could find, black, best option. Definitely old school feel and style, but yeah, lots and lots of stuff. From my understanding, instructions are left to be desired. Oh, there we go. I think it's more so we just have to. Yeah, this should be easy to figure out. All right here is where the top mount goes. So I believe right here is where the hole is for the bottom mounts, and then the center ones should be right here. So let me pull the carpet back, see where everything is, and yeah, we'll at least mount one side. So I mounted this one. I had to use one of these adapters down the transmission tunnel or the center tunnel. There's a big hole, so there's an adapter. Now over here, there's nothing. I can't find a hole at all, which is fine. And So I'm going to drill a hole, bolt it up that way. I mean, it's about the best way to do it. But I'm gonna mount this one. Might go ahead and do the other side as well. Yeah, I'm probably gonna do the other side as well, just so they're both knocked out. And just one less thing to worry about. Well, drill a hole. There we go. I have some spray-on bed liner, and yeah, I'm just going to use that to. It's a paint and primer. All right, let that dry, and then we'll mount up the seat. That one's good to go. We'll take it for a little ride. Seatbelts in. I think I probably need to turn it around, but I think this should work for now. So, I'm gonna clean up, go for a little ride, see how it does. So, brake kit. I ordered one. Well, I bought it off someone. Yeah, rookie mistake. I didn't check what bolt pattern the disc brakes were. So, if anyone needs 4x130 for a Beetle, let me know. But yeah, so I needed to make sure, see if the rest of this stuff will work, so I can just drop it and change the discs out and whatnot. But otherwise, yeah, I'm gonna have to get something else. It's all right. Yeah. But what we're gonna work on is, I would like to get at least the other front seat seatbelt in, and we'll go from there. Today's not my day. Carpet. Yeah. Let me fix that. All right, now it's right. It's above the carpet this time. So, well, now to go for another ride, and we'll pick up my kids, see how they like it, and yeah. Supermade, John Ludwig, Pia's Projects. It's not a bad setup back there, right? I mean, it is a Pia's project, so we might as well represent now. I am definitely leaving Ludwig's garage on the back. On the front, because I have my other banner, I might put that low. I'm gonna leave that up there for right now. Everesto staying on the side. But yeah, front seatbelts in. Should have some more stuff coming in over the next week or so. But yeah, even a little cleanup back here. It being Sunday, can't go to the dump. But yeah, things are good. Go out there, work on your projects, have fun. Also, I appreciate the huge support I've gotten recently. We are just shy of 200 subscribers as I'm recording. Hey, keep telling your friends. We have a 64 Beetle, 97 Golf variant that's getting a VR6. And let's not forget, I have an 83 Rabbit that will more than likely be getting a TDI swap. So, lots of projects. I appreciate y'all's support. Like, comment, subscribe. All right. Thank you. And don't forget, there's always a solution.